How's your day going?
You know, it's just another day driving. Kind of smoking some good weed. Don't worry, man, I'm an OG.
Hey, you guys down to shotgun a White Claw?
Down to? You guys gonna shotgun a White Claw?
Yeah.
So over here is a nice little like cove area where like a lot of people are hanging out.
Hey guys. Oh. Let's fucking get it. It's a fucking animal. Where? Where?
Modesto.
Yeah.
Dude, hot as fuck in Modesto. Have you guys seen a ranger truck over here?
I hope not. No rangers here.
Episode 24, Shotguns with Strangers.
It's episode whatever. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. Let's go. Yeah, we can. It's called Shotguns with Strangers. The Shotguns with Strangers at the fucking river. Let's go. I'm trying to shotgun a White Claw.
Wow. You get a claw. You get a claw. Yeah, so we're gonna race them. We're gonna shotgun them though, and we're gonna race. Is that good with you? Cool. Hell yeah.
You want a mango? You're gonna win because you just don't throw, you dumb fuck. Turn that shit.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Oh, this one. This one is fucking genius, man. You guys reach for a thing called Shotguns with Strangers where we shotgun drinks with strangers. I love it. This one's gonna come out of the video.
Shotguns with strangers.
Shotgun with strangers.
That's it.
I love it. Cheers. Cheers. Get the cheers. Hey guys, ready? Oh.
Ooh, nice.
They don't count. They dump half their shit. What?
Good job, guys. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Oh yeah.
Shotguns with Strangers. Look at all these strangers.
Now use your thumb.
Oh, look at this fool. Hey.
Shotgun with strangers.
Shotguns with Strangers.
Shotgun with strangers. I love it.
All right, hey, let's go. Go. For the fucking gram, dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's broken. It doesn't
Oh, she got a default. She got a faulty claw.
My man titties on
Oh,
there.
yeah. Look at this shit, man. This is one clip right here.
Oh, bitch. Shotgun with strangers, we don't litter. My stranger friend.
Oh, yeah, guys.
Down the road for another shotgun with a stranger.
Who's trying to shotgun a White Claw? Take it easy. Who wants to shotgun a White Claw?
Oh, I have white claw in my right here.
Oh man, look at this. We're climbing. We're climbing. This is a fucking adventure right now, man. We're gonna focus on that. Oh,
Gravity doesn't exist here. We are in a place beyond the third dimension. With all the spider webs.
fog. Dude, this shit is fucking insane. Infested, bro.
This is fucking.
Spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd rose so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words just won't come out. He's choking now. That sounds actually timeless.
Some carnage happened here. Crime scene. It's a claw scene.
Yeah, you trying to shotgun a claw? You down? What's up, dude? You down? That's good, man. Brian. Brian, dude. No strangers.
Okay, cool.
Use the canine. Hey guys, you ready? Let's go! champion. Smoke his ass. Hell yeah, guys.
Appreciate it. YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's new, man. Subscribe. It's called Shotguns with Strangers.
Shotguns with strangers.
Yeah, and
Yep.
enjoy your day. Look at it.
Okay. It's like cannibalism.
Cannibalism.
Woo.
Oh.
Get it.
Oh my god. That was solid.
Oh yeah. Cool.
Yeah. The cannibalistic cans. You know, the cannibal.
That's it. Let's keep going. Let's go. Shotguns with strangers.
What's up? It's like a man South Set. Feel me?
Yeah.
Here you go, dude.
Oh shit.
And,
We're gonna race. Hold on. Don't do it until you count.
all right. 3, 2, 1. Hey, good shit, dude. Hell yeah. That was good.
I thought we gotta make the hole. Me la tomo así.
No, primero abras un hueco.
Make the hole right here.
Y no puedes hacerlo con ese.
I fucked up on it.
You want new?
He wants that club. Anybody want it? He wants it? Alright, give it to him. Let's go.
There's an air bubble right here. Just hit that. And then when it's time to drink,
Let's get right there.
there you go. Yep.
3, 2, 1, let's go! Fucking killed that shit. Hell yeah. Right down, for kids.
How about you guys drink one of our beers now?
I mean, bro, if you want to give me a beer, I'll take it, dude, for sure. Thanks, dude. Hell yeah, I appreciate that, man.
Count us down.
Showed it,
Shit.
right?
Hey, hell yeah. Let's go.
Hell yeah.
And go.
Okay, we're trying to place this one like it's so small, guys.
Yeah.
So we're gonna punch a hole right here, and then we're gonna fucking open it.
Maybe this will work. There you go. That hole a little bit bigger.
Oh, you got the hook? Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
nah,
You
I
want a
got a
pretty
wheel.
good hole, so you can do it fast.
Oh, go from the hole?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
3,
Yeah.
2, 1. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Good shit, dude. We need some cashews right now. That's what we do. Carbs. Yeah. 26 grams of carbs in this whole thing.
Yeah.
Alright, here's that one. Boom. It's gonna fucking.
You gotta do it from the side.
Yeah. Like that. You kind of like right there.
Okay, yeah. You just really dig it in.
3, 2, 1, go.
Woo! Hell yeah, bro.
I didn't do it. My name
Just want to give you guys a little sample. I think something fishy's going on over here, honestly.
I want to give you a little sample.
You guys know how to
Tell you what's good in the world.
I'm sheltered. I'm a sheltered motherfucker.
You see this shit here, man? This is like fresh veggies from the garden.
You'll like it.
Oh, man.
Oh, man. I didn't stab his hand.
I almost did, actually. Alright, you guys ready?
Got you.
Wow. We
because it's bendy, so it's out your way. Oh, either way, whatever. It'll work. Whatever. You know,
I understand what you're saying.
the pom pom for you, bro.
Man, your dick doesn't need this shit. How come I don't have a straw?
I'm gonna try it anyways. Good luck.
Oh, what the fuck just happened? I just pushed the straw down and it was like,
No, this. Put it in there. Yeah.
That's our special arsenic straw.
what the fuck, dude? Get this. What the fuck? What
hell,
the
did you take it out?
fuck, dude?
Nothing.
Yo.
Okay, there we go.
That was fucking weird. What the? I don't want to drink this shit now. What the fuck is this? What is this?
The plastic straw.
It's a disposable.
paper.
It's a paper straw. It's a paper straw. Colin, you know what? Let's go chug these beers.
Fuck
It's
this
still
shit.
shotguns with strangers.
This is chugging with homies.
Chugging with homies. Hey, cheers. Chugging with homies.
More beer than you.
He's a big man.
No, whatever you want, man. I got Bombay, I got Tito. That's a nice holder, yeah.
Sick. How much was this?
It was $300. It was a $350 purchase, and I'm embarrassed.